Hi guys. Today we will see how to connect Rode Wireless Go mic or any mic connecting to a MacBook Pro, connecting to a mobile phone, that is iPhone. Let's see how to do that. Okay, it's so easy. Trust me, you just have to buy one single adapter. That's it. You can connect your Rode Wireless Go, Rode Video or any mic to a MacBook Pro or iPhone. That's possible. Okay, let's see how to do that. Okay, but unfortunately what happens is if you connect it directly, it will not work. So that is the reason we need a special adapter for us to connect it to the laptop or a desktop. Okay, right now I'm talking only about the Mac and desktop or iPhone. I'm not talking about the Windows because I don't have any idea about that. I have never tried that. So when I tried connecting it to the MacBook Pro, my Rode mic did not work. So that is when I started to do research, and I have found out a way, easiest way. So if you have an Mac ecosystem like MacBook Pro or iPhone or something like that, then you definitely, I would suggest you to buy this adapter. Okay, let's see how we can do this. These are the few items you require. That is the Rode Wireless Go mic. Okay, and then lavalier mic. If you wanted to connect using a lavalier Rode lavalier mic, then you need this one. This is the lavalier mic which I have purchased. This is a limited edition which is white in color. People will never buy in white color. So this is the Rode SC4. This is actually TRS to TRRS adapter. This is a very useful adapter. Actually this is like male to female, so this is so helpful because like if you buy the other one, you will have you cannot connect this. In case in future if you buy a different mic or lavalier mic, different lavalier mic, you will not be able to connect. So that is why I have purchased this male to female, so that this if you see this Rode, you can connect it to this. This comes with the Rode. Okay, so if you connect this to this SC4 TRS to TRRS adapter, this will go inside this. One end will go inside the Rode wireless mic, and then the one end will go inside the adapter, and this one will go inside the computer. Okay, so that is how it works. And if you wanted to use a wired mic like lavalier mic, this end of the lavalier mic will go inside this female port. So like this we can connect it to the MacBook Pro and iPhone. This also works with the iPhone. For example, I have an iPhone 8, so this cable comes with the iPhone 8. What you do is if you connect this adapter to this adapter will go like this, and this side will go inside the iPhone. Okay, and you can connect a mic here. So that you will be able to use your lavalier mic or Rode wireless mic to this iPhone as well. So let's see how to do that. First I will let you know how to connect it to the iPhone. So first connect this end goes like this. This end this TRS to TRRS adapter will go here. So I am going to connect it to the iPhone. Okay, this end will go inside the iPhone. Okay, now this is recorded with the GoPro. So if you see this iPhone, I am going to connect it with this iPhone 8. Okay, so what you do, connect. You have to connect this thing to this small adapter to this iPhone, and now you can connect your Rode mic. I have connected to the Rode mic to this, and now if you see, it will work. I am going to record a video. Hi, this is a mic testing 1 2 3 from Rode lavalier mic using a SC4 Rode SC4 TRS to TRRS adapter. This is a very useful adapter. So I am recording using that adapter. So this is the connection, if you see. Okay, so now the audio will not come out of this, so we have to unplug that. 3 from Rode lavalier mic. So if you see, this is how it is working. Let me try to connect it directly to the adapter which is provided by the iPhone without this SE4. Okay, it will not work. Now I have connected directly. Let me try to record a message. Hi, this is a Rode lavalier mic testing 1 2 3. I'm trying to check the Rode mic connected directly to the iPhone adapter provided by iPhone. Okay, let's see that. Okay. Message. Hi, this is a Rode lavalier mic testing 1 2 3. I'm trying to check the Rode mic connected directly to the iPhone adapter provided by iPhone. Okay, let's see that. Okay. Wow, it's working. Okay, let's check if the Rode Wireless Go is working. Okay. So right now I have connected the adapter provided by iPhone, and now I will connect Rode mic directly. Okay. Okay, done. I'm not using this adapter. I have connected it directly. Okay, I've connected it directly. So let's see if Rode Wireless Go is working. I am turning on the Rode Wireless Go. It's turned on. This is the transmitter. It's turned on. Okay. So if you see, the audio is working. This is able to receive signal. This is able to receive signal. So let's see if the mic is working. Okay. Hi, this is mic testing 1 2 3. This is a Rode Wireless Go mic. Rode Wireless Go mic. I'm testing if the volume audio is getting recorded using Wireless Go, and it is connected directly without any adapter. Let's see that. Rode Wireless Go mic. I'm testing if the volume audio is getting recorded using Wireless Go, and it is connected directly without any adapter. Let's see that. Hey, good. It's working. So if I connect it directly, it's working. Okay. So let's see if everything works fine with the MacBook Pro and iMac desktop. Okay. So actually I'm trying to record voice without any adapter here. Right now, if you see, I have connected my Rode lavalier mic directly to my iPad. Okay, and this is the mic. So I'll try to open voice memo, and if I'll click on record, and I'll see if the voice is getting recorded. Okay, so I clicked on record now. Hi, mic testing 1 2 3. Mic testing 1 2 3. Let's save this as without adapter. Okay, and if I go to sound preference, input is USB. Hello, mic testing. Output is built-in. Okay, let's try to play this. So you see that it is not getting recorded. Okay, Okay, now let's try to connect the adapter. I'm connecting the adapter now. Okay, and okay, it's done. So let's go again. Sound preference, and then it should be input should be external microphone. So you see the output level is increasing, decreasing. Okay, now if you go to output, and if you see output should be MacBook Pro speakers in built-in. Okay, so now we will record it again. Hello, mic testing 1 2 3, and this is Rode mic test with the adapter SE4 adapter connected. Okay, let's check it. Hello, mic testing 1 2 3, and this is Rode mic test with the adapter SE4 adapter connected. Okay, let's check it. So this is it. So this same like that we'll be able to same like that. If we connect this Rode Wireless Go, it will work. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching, bye.